Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore Larena Triad. It is a beautiful viewpoint. At the same time, they have a restaurant and cafe bar also available. This is the Siquijor island. You remember from last video, I stopped at Larena port. I stayed one night over there. The next day morning, me and JR took a road trip. The first stop going to be Larena Triad. It is just 3 kilometers from Larena port. That is our first stop. That is a PNB bank. That is my favorite bank in Philippines. Actually, this place is not in my list, but when I saw from the road, this place looks very beautiful. Look at the place. What is that? The top one over there.
I think that's a house.
House?
Yeah.
Private area. Look at this place. Have a beautiful garden vibe. This place is very well maintained and little bit windy also. The place called Larena Triad. They have a coffee shop and restaurant. There's a bar and coffee shop. You can order some food and snacks over here. This restaurant open morning 9 a.m. to night 8 p.m. They have extra chairs also there. 2 or 3 deck view here, so you can choose whichever you like it. After see this place, I feel very lucky because this place not in my list. When we ride the bike in the morning, I saw the dome in the hill, so I want to check out this place. This place is really awesome. Look at the view. You can see almost 270-degree view. The place doesn't disappoint me about the viewing and the location. I saw the review, the food was average. Either way, if you go over there, you can have a nice view and drone footage. This place have a very good parking spot. At the same time, if you come in the evening, you can enjoy your evening with a beautiful sunset. So far, if you like this video, please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome. Look at the dome. This dome caught my eye from the road. Because of the dome I came here. But this place never disappointed me. Look how good it is. Location 10 out of 10. I thought this is the highest viewpoint in Siquijor, but JR told me this is not the highest viewpoint. He told me I will take you there after this. So I really excited for the next place. As far as you can see, there's a lot of scenic view. You can look down the beach. So before I leave from here, I took some photos. The photos are fantastic. If you are visiting this Siquijor island, this place you must go there and you see the sunset and have your dinner. That would be the top 5 activity. I highly recommend this place for sunset. After that, we are heading to the highest viewpoint in Siquijor island. That means from there you can see the whole island. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you.